Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download Fortnite on Android. So at the very first, just go to Google because it is not available in Play Store and search for Fortnite.com. After searching, here you can see in the top right, Play Now option. Click on it and click on the third option, Download. After that, again click on the Play Now and click on Download, again the third option. And here you can see Download Now option, the yellow one. Click on it. After that, just here you can see Download Anyway. Click on it. Just hold on and open it in the bottom right. Now just install this app, Epic Games Store. Now just go to this app. Here you can see Fortnite. Click on it, the get option. Now here you can see install option. Click on it to install the app. Here you can see it is preparing and it is downloading. So guys, this is how can you download Fortnite on Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.